Alrighty guys, in today's video, you see that I'm wearing a headphone with a microphone here for a change. Well, that's because my webcam microphone has decided to go on the blink on me, so I'm going to have to get another one of those webcams that have a microphone built into it. But that's okay. It works pretty good here with the headset on. That's the only difference. But in today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can make $5 over and over and over again using your cell phone and high quality pictures. If that sounds like a winner to you and you'd like to get started in on this, well, stick around. We're getting ready to get on it here right now. So the site that we want to come to, guys, is this site right here. It's called Foap. You see it right here. I believe it's spelled or pronounced Foap. It might be Foap. I'm not real sure, but it looks like the word soap, only with an F, so we'll go with that and call it Foap. I don't know. It's crazy. But look up here in the address bar right here, guys. It's www.foap.com. Alrighty, that's the site you want to come to over here. And what this site is a site where big brands, big companies, and individuals, and I suppose small companies too, whatever, can come here and they can get any kind of visual content that they want and access it and use it for their promotions with their products. And they want your pictures. They want pictures that you've created. Or stick around, I'm going to show you how if you don't want to create your own or upload any of your own photos off your phone or anything that you take, I'm going to show you where you can get some really good high quality ones for 100% free. So stick around for later in this video and I'll show you that. All right. So, but anyways, companies come here and they purchase these photos, high quality photos and imagery, and then they use it in their promotions. And you can see right here, guys, look at some of these companies. Nivea, Kraft, and Heinz. I mean, how many people know about Kraft cheese and Heinz ketchup, right? And then you got Volvo and Transavia, Heineken beer, IHG, and I'm not quite sure what that is. That might be, I've seen that before. Might be Microsoft or something, I don't know. But nonetheless, these are big companies that come here to this site, guys, and individuals, and they purchase these photos and use them in their promotions for their products and services and things like that. So as you can see here, it's people can come here, brief and launch, detail the tone, aesthetics, target audience, and any brand specifications, your desired content, and tap into folks' creative IQ and click. Review it and select it and just collect them and go. Download your videos. This is both for videos and photos as well, guys. Deploy your custom content in your marketing campaigns and hit your KPIs and your ROIs. And it says ready to launch your first mission or want to speak to a Foap expert, and they can click right here. And then it talks about a brief and launch your mission, and then choose from 3 types of missions, which missions is going to be another way that you can make money on this site. There's 2 ways, actually. The exclusive mission, you want your content to stand out and avoid any copycats. Request assets exclusively licensed to your brand. And then product sampling, and you want to create some early buzz or test market with some social media visuals. And then they have a secret mission as you're about to launch, but you want to keep your competitors guessing. Launch a mission only visible to a select group of people. And I got marketing partners, and it talks about a little bit more about it down here, guys. But what we're interested in, guys, is how we can make some money on this site ourselves, right? What we want to do is come up here, and actually it's already there, but what we want to do is come up here and click where it says right here, switch to creators. You see that, guys? Click on that, and that brings you over here to this page right here. And it says right here, take time to make extra money with your videos and photos. And guys, here it is. You can get it for iOS, your iPhone, and you can get it for the Android right off the Google Play Store and download it to your phone because, well, you're going to want to take some photos while you're out moving around in the country and in the world, and you can upload them to this site. So, and it come down here and it talks a little bit about simply upload your videos and photos and earn cash. When a brand, agency, or just anyone who finds your work outstanding purchases a video or a photo from your online Foap portfolio, says we share the profit with you 50-50. So how did I come up with $5 over and over and over. Well, let's come back here to this page here, and I'm going to come up here to solutions and click on market right here, guys. And you can see some of the photos. I mean, you can actually search them out too. Some of the photos that here, and these are trending images. They got themed collections, feature photographers, and selected albums. And these are some of the trending photos that have just recently been uploaded on this site. As you can see, guys, it's just any photos basically about anything and from anywhere. I mean, it's just really neat and good quality photos. They're not hard to take at all, guys, and these photos are selling like hotcakes on this site. Well, how many people come to this site? Let's have a look. If I click up here on my similar web, guys, it comes out, and you can see right here we're on Foap.com right here. And if I scroll up here, guys, look at this. Monthly visits, well, about 270,000 people come to this site per month to purchase your photos. Okay, that's quite a lot of traffic. In fact, if we scroll up here and look where they're coming from, you can see right here, guys, that most of the traffic comes from the United States. That's about 30% of it, and the rest of it is some of these other top tier countries in the world too as well, guys. So got lots of good quality traffic coming to this site. So anyways, we come down here, and this is for people that want to purchase photos, right? And you can see if they choose any plan, they can choose a single photo at a time, 20 photos at a time, or 100 photos at a time. Well, you can see that if they purchase one photo, that's $10. All the photos alone, singularly, are $10. So back like I said right here, they said they will split the profit with you, and that's so you're going to get half of that $10, guys, and that is $5 over and over every time somebody buys one of your photos. Now, check this out. Doesn't it make sense right here, guys, that the more photos that you upload on this site, the more opportunity you're going to have to make, well, a lot more money than $5 over and over. It could be, it could be $10, $20, $30, $40, $50 over and over and over if they're purchasing your really good quality photo, right, that you uploaded to this site. So anyways, what you want to do is to get started on this, guys, you want to come over here on the make extra money with the photos here, and it talks a little bit more down here, so on and so forth, and about it in a little video here and stuff. You guys can check this out on your own. So basically you want to start by downloading this, but I would certainly sign up on this site right here first before you get the phone, because you're going to have to sign in on there. So get your account set up on the website, or you can do it on your phone, I suppose, but just click sign in right here. And then down right here it says if you don't have an account, you just want to click register right here, guys, and click on that and make sure that it's set to creator and not to business. Set it on creator, and you can use a local account right here, and you can also sign up with your Facebook account, guys, and so on and so forth. And my guess is that they are going to send you an email confirmation, so you want to make sure that you get that checked out and then come back and get logged in on the site. All right, what you want to do is then on Google Play, and it's just a matter at that point is just uploading your photos to your portfolio in your back office, and they will show up. The new ones, like I showed you, the new ones show up right here on the trending images. These are the newest images that have been uploaded as of, well, probably even today, guys. And you can see that they're just all over the place. In fact, I'll tell you what, if you live in Florida right now, which I feel so bad for those people down there. I know you guys saw, probably most of you seen the destruction that Hurricane Ian did to Florida. Probably some good photos from that area of people helping people. This type of thing, or any photos from that area, would be really good on this website right now, starting now, today. Alrighty, guys, just a little hint for you there. Little ID, you want to get something that's up to date. Keep your photos up to date on this site. Now, what I want to do first is want to come back here before we go a little further on this, and I want to show you a couple other ways another way that you can make money with this. And I want to come back here and invite those people who are new to my videos. If this is your first time to my video or to my channel, like you see right there on your screen, just reach down there during the video anytime and click that subscribe button. And don't forget to click the thumbs up button too if you like the video. And also click that little notification bell so that you get notified when I upload new videos such as this one right here that you're watching now. Alrighty? Alright, thanks guys. Let's go ahead and get back to this now. So we want to come back over here. Basically, you just get the app on your phone and begin taking some really good quality photos and upload them to your back office and your portfolio on this site, and they will become a trending photo. And you can start making, guys, the really cool thing about this is, of course, the more photos you upload, the better the chance you're going to make money with this. And the thing about it, too, is this becomes a passive income because they're going to be there forever. You upload them once and done. They're there forever. And they can make you money months and years down the road. You could still be making money from your photos that you upload on this particular site, okay? You stay with me? All right, now the other way that you can make some money with this is these things right here that they call missions right here. Where's that at right here? They had something about it here. Let's see. Right here, missions. You can make money with missions. If you look right here, they have like little contests, like right here. Get your pizza delivery with Domino's. Domino's is wanting people's photos of their pizza and how they're enjoying it and stuff like that, or videos. It could be photo or video. They'll tell you how they want it and what they want. As you can see right here, so far there's 160 videos been uploaded here, and there's a $500 reward for when yours is picked. Alrighty, and there's 4 days left in this mission contest. Look over here. Upload your photo of the week with new rules, and they tell you what they want. There's 196 pictures, and there's a $150 contest prize if yours gets picked, guys. And look, all these down here through here, you can make some really good money down through here. Here's for 250 about staying fit. 250 about cookies are better, just about taking pictures of really good cookies. I mean, how easy could this get, guys? Your chances to make a lot of money are greater even with not only your photos up there on the site, but getting involved in these mission contests as well. So that's the second way that you can make money on this site. Now, as promised to you earlier, I was going to show you a place where you can get free photos. If you didn't want to upload your own, or you didn't want to take your own photos with your cell phone, you can come over to this site right here, guys. It's called PickWizard. Look right up here in the address bar. It's PickWizard.com. You can come here and you can see right here it's high quality, free stock photos, and my guess is they also got video. You have a stunning library of over 1 million stock images and videos, guys, as well, so you can use them here, and you can simply search for whatever you want, photos or videos, and come up with whatever it is you're looking for. And as you can see, these are some high quality photos. That one right there is beautiful, and just very good high quality photos for free. You just download them and then load them up there on your Foap portfolio, guys, on Foap, and you can begin to make money with your photos on Foap. And guys, like I said, it's passive because it's going to be there forever, and it can make you money years and years down the road. So it's $5 over and over, or it could be $10. It could be $50. How many photos you're going to upload? The more you do, obviously, the better it'll be for you. Guys, that's the video I had for you today. If you like it, make sure you reach down there and give me a thumbs up and crush that button for me if you would. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell as well. And if you have any comments about this particular video and this method, leave them down below in the comment section, and I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. Also, if you like affiliate marketing and you want to learn high ticket affiliate marketing where you can make thousands in one day possibility, you want to click down there below in the top of my description where you see it says mentorwithkev.com, and come over and watch a free video presentation that'll show you how you can become a high ticket affiliate marketer. And you can start with that today as well. Alrighty, guys. Guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a few days or so on the next exciting, money-making video. You guys take care. Have an awesome day. Don't forget to click these videos you see popping up there, and they'll help you make money online as well. Okay, guys? I'll see you guys later. You take care. Have an awesome day. Bye-bye now.